How to use AI assistants to automate everyday tasks. Discover practical ways to automate daily tasks using AI-powered assistants like Alexa, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and Apple Siri. Save time, reduce repetitive work, and simplify your routine with real-world prompts and automation tips. One, automating home tasks with Alexa. Amazon's Alexa can control smart home devices, set reminders, and even order groceries. Examples and prompts. Alexa, add milk and eggs to my shopping list. Alexa, set a 20-minute timer for my laundry. Alexa, turn off the living room lights at 10 p.m. Alexa, play my morning news briefing at 7 a.m. Alexa, remind me to take my medication every day at 8 a.m. 2. Boosting productivity with Google Gemini. Google's Gemini, AI assistant in Google Workspace, can draft emails, summarize documents, and assist with research. Examples and prompts: draft a professional email to reschedule a meeting with David. Summarize this article in 3 bullet points. Create a grocery list based on a meal plan for 5 dinners. Generate a Python script to rename multiple files in a folder. What are the best alternatives to CapCut with pros and cons? Third, streamlining work with Microsoft Copilot. Copilot helps with coding, document editing, and data analysis. Examples and prompts. In Word, rewrite this paragraph to be more concise. In Excel, create a pivot table to summarize sales by region. In Outlook, draft a polite follow-up email for my last meeting. In Teams, summarize the key points from this meeting transcript. In Edge, compare these 2 laptops and list their specs side by side. 4. Hands-free help with Apple Siri. Siri can send messages, set location-based reminders, and control Apple HomeKit devices. Examples and prompts. Hey Siri, text my wife, I'll be home in 20 minutes. Hey Siri, remind me to call the doctor when I get home. Hey Siri, add buy dog food to my reminders list. Hey Siri, start my evening relaxation scene. Hey Siri, read my last WhatsApp message. 5. Automating social media and content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva Magic Write, and Grammarly can help with content generation. Examples and prompts. Use ChatGPT to generate 5 engaging LinkedIn post ideas about remote work. Use Gemini or Copilot to write a 200-word blog post intro about sustainable fashion. Use Canva AI to create an Instagram carousel post about productivity tips. Use Grammarly to rephrase this tweet to sound more professional. Final thoughts. AI assistants can handle repetitive tasks, reminders, research, and even creative work, freeing up time for what matters. Start small with 1 automation per week, and soon you'll wonder how you lived without AI. Which AI assistant do you use most? Share your favorite prompts below in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more related AI content. Visit www.aiquantumintelligence.com today, because the future doesn't wait.